Here we are again with Ben from Royal Steam in Gardner, Mass. Here at the ARGCO booth at NFPA. Tell us what you got your hands on now.
I'm holding a steady EDDY. It's a ratcheting tool for install and removal that can accept any head wrench. So if we need to do an install with a manufacturer's head wrench, take the red wrench, pop it on. You can use your fingers, get it going with it. And then when you need to torque it in, you got your ratchet. And this can accept anything. Then you take this universal socket adapter. Now you need to go up and remove any head. You're going to send your guy up. You want him to have this tool, because this will do any head. Go up the ladder or the lift. Fits right in. Now you can remove it. Once you've got it loose, you can use your finger, pop it right out. Perfect for every vehicle. One wrench instead of a bunch.
Awesome. Thanks, Ben. Appreciate it.